Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Joanne A. Mendoza. I am 35 years old, currently living in the Philippines. I am happily married with my husband Emerson Mendoza. And we have 3 lovely kids, ages 13, 8, and 5.
Okay.
I am a college level,
Okay, what course?
IT.
Okay, so do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. I have been experienced here in the Philippines
For how long?
3 years since 2020 until 2023.
Okay, so you have experience also in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How long did you work in Hong Kong?
11 months.
So what are your duties and responsibilities?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing, do marketing.
So no children?
Yes, ma'am.
Only elderly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why you work there for 11 months only?
Because my employers terminated me due to communication problem because my employer doesn't know how to speak in English.
Oh, okay. So only one helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care? Newborn, children, or elderly?
Children.
Children. So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police
ma'am.
cases? So why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
Because aside from high salary, Hong Kong has a good law, and I want to give a good future to my children.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
ma'am.
you.